All right. Well, today we got the three-pointed Ninja Star version 2. If you remember, this was the old one. And you can go to that video, three-pointed Ninja Star, and make the triangle base. And what we're trying to do is make the blades skinnier so they appear longer. So here's the regular one. And then you can tweak it at the end and make the blades 3D and curved. So we're going to do that. And what you do after you get the triangle base is now you fold the sides up just a small amount. Just get it nice and straight across. And you do all three. This one, it's kind of hard to get it to come out exactly right. So hope we can get it. So now you pinch the points, make nice sharp points. Don't go in too far because you want them narrow. And so now what we're doing is turn over and now pinch these to make a triangle inset. See how it's starting to go in? Pinch up from the points. Get that to sink down in. And there we go. That's how we want it. Right there where that's sticking out. Now we make the blades by twisting. And just do a little at a time so you can keep it nice and straight. And if you want, when you make the triangle, draw it on paper and then draw some lines from the points over to the sides so you can get it all lined up really well. Because nobody wants a lopsided Ninja Star. Now, the paper's quite thick in the middle, so you just have to take your time and keep pressing down and twisting. And so there it is. It's pretty cool, nice little thin blades. And then you can check it by lining up the points to the center lines. That one's good. So smash it down. And you're gonna have to, find a way to crush this. I got the method using magnets. And the more you flatten it, the nicer it looks. Unless you want to make the 3D star points now. I'm gonna show you how to do that. And it makes them curved a little bit, so looks pretty cool. These don't fly, but they're a cool static model. So what you do now is you open up each blade from the long side where there's the double folds. See how it's much longer than this side, back with the point, and you fold the long edge in underneath that triangle. Try to get it to go all the way over there. And then fold the other one in. Alright, well, I just did that revision. I'm going to fold the shorter side in first. Right here, sorry about that. So you fold that in. And then you fold this one in. So, like that. So let's go to the next one, since it's not the greatest demonstration, so we'll do it 3 times. Fold that one in. And fold the bigger piece. Alright, well, it's not the coolest model, but it's pretty neat looking. I like it enough to make a video, so hopefully some like this one too. Wow, this last one is really difficult. And there it is. And you just take 3 fingers and you can shape these blades up. For your 3D blade, 3-pointed ninja star. And there it is. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed the model. Thanks for watching, subscribing, liking, sharing. Really gets me a lot more views when you share the videos. I appreciate that. Likes and all that. Alright. Alright. Have a great day. See you next time.